All right, we're gonna take a cruise here in another 1967 Camaro. Got a few of those around right now. This is a nice little stalker though. I got this from an older gentleman, had it for many, many years. He did restore it completely at one point. I don't think it's got many miles on it since then. It's the matching number 327 with Powerglide transmission. It's got factory air that works, factory gauges, tachometer, pretty cool. So it's not an SS or an RS or anything like that, just a regular Camaro, but it's got the bumblebee stripe up front. It's got the black vinyl top on it. It's got some early Cragars on it. The chrome Cragars are kind of cool. It's something you would have put on the car back then, you know. They didn't cut the dash, thankfully, and put a stereo under the other side over there, little CD player. But nice original car. Got the deluxe door panels. Paint's nice. They did the paint complete. You know, I mean, it's an older paint job, but it still looks fantastic. Really nice. Shines beautiful. Matador Red, I guess the name of the color is. But all the chrome trim and everything is in good shape as well. Pretty good. It's nice to have a 327. It's got a 10-bolt rear end, and the 327's got a couple goodies on it. It's got headers. It's got a 4-barrel carburetor on there, Edelbrock intake. You know, all the stuff off the shelf that people like to do to these cars to give them a little bit more performance, you know. Everything you want. Automatic, air conditioning, power brakes. So we'll go up here and we'll take some more video and some pictures for you. All right, here's a nice little 1967 Camaro. It's Matador Red, black interior, bucket seats. This one's got factory air conditioning. It's got power steering. I said power brakes earlier, but it doesn't have power brakes. It's got dual reservoir drum brakes, but it stops really well. Got the original black license plates from back in the 60s. So it's a California car, nice and rust-free. They did a rotisserie job on this car years ago, and they did a nice job on the paint. Still shows really well. Got the early Cragars on there. They shine real well. Nice paint. Bumblebee stripe. All the grill and the chrome bumpers and everything is still in great shape. Show you the interior. It's got the deluxe interior, deluxe door panels there. Original chrome steering wheel. Factory gauges, which is kind of neat. The factory gauges, you only see those on the high performance models, but even the clock's ticking. Look at that. Original tachometer, original radio on the dash with another one additional under there. Of course, the VIN number. Headliner's in nice shape. The deluxe cars have the lights on the sail panels instead of in the center up here. Center console. 10-bolt differential. It's a great little car, just a cruiser. Air conditioning, power steering, drives nice. Rebuilt 327, the original 327, and a good history. All right, here's the power plant in the 67 Camaro. Like I said, it's the original 327, matching numbers. Says it right there in the front of that little pad. Factory air conditioning, but as you can see, it's got a couple of goodies in here. It's got an updated radiator, electric fan, little chrome alternator, chrome master there, dual master, HEI ignition, Edelbrock intake with Edelbrock carburetor, also a catch flow, overflow tank there. All the good stuff, you know. It's got polyurethane bushings throughout. Let me go fire this one up for you. All right. It's got dual exhaust, sounds really good. Nice and smooth. There's electric fans going. Good reliable little motor, little 327. This has got a little cam in it, so it's got a little rumble. Great sounding car. Well, if you want to come see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich, and I'd be happy to show you around. Like I said, we have a few other Camaros here too, so if you see something you like, give us a ring. Thanks for watching.